भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Vanakkam, vanakkam, vanakkam. I was telling Vinod ji that the crowd you get, it will just show not the power of people of Tamil Nadu. If the crowd crosses the number I expect, next time I'll come and speak in Tamil. And now, as I have lost the bet to Vinod ji and the crowd has come here to support BJP, next time when you call, I'll try to speak in Tamil and be a Tamil sister to all my friends. Tamil Nadu is important for us. When Tamil Nadu decides, Tamil Nadu's history is not only people of Tamil Nadu creating that power in Tamil Nadu. If you go to northeast of the world, though it is Malaysia, Singapore, America, the kings, the strength of all those people also, my Tamil brothers and sisters, that kind of strength all over the world my Tamil friends have done. Tamil people are very pro-people, they are pro-Tamil pride, they want a good leader to take them forward. Every young nation, what they want, Tamil, my young friends, what they want a good strength. They want their aspiration, my dreams. I am a Tamil beta, I am a Tamil person. My dreams, my strength should be the country's dream. And my friends, Yuva Morcha and Honorable Prime Minister has believed that even any person standing here in Tamil Nadu, watching me through television in Tamil Nadu, sitting somewhere in the corner of Tamil Nadu, his dreams, her aspiration is our aspiration, BJP's aspiration, our pride, Tamil pride is Bhajpa pride. That's what I want to tell my friends. That the sun, seeing the crowd of BJP, the youth of BJP, the sun is also hiding away. I am saying the sun is setting. DMK's sun is not SUN sun. It is only for one SON sun. And that's what they've been fighting for. And the real SUN sun, the Surya, the sun, you want to look at is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who burns himself, who takes that power to burn himself and work for the people. That's how the sun works. The sun up there burns himself and gives his energy to people. That's what our Prime Minister is, the real SUN sun, who's burning himself, working hard for people, never taken holiday, always think of people's thought and process and take them forward. And that sun is burning himself and giving us power and energy. That energy we have to take. That young energy we have to take it forward. Not the Prince energy, the SON is going down with DMK. My request to all you friends are, Tamil Nadu always fought for its pride, its beautiful language, its belief in its history. Bharatiya Janata Party also want to be together. It's not a party of nation till the time BJP has not conquered the nation till the time my Tamil brothers and sisters decide that lotus has to bloom everywhere, then only BJP will shine. And I believe the kind of youth has come here together to believe that my aspiration, my hope, every Tamil pride hope is Bharatiya Janata Party's hope. That's what I can see with my friends all over here. There was a discussion about how the Modi government is working towards Tamil Nadu. Recently, Honorable Prime Minister had come to Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu gave us Abdul Kalam. And Tamil Nadu gave us Abdul Kalam, who really created the ripples all around the world. We want more Abdul Kalams. We want more people from Tamil Nadu who take over the world with us, who come with Narendra Modi and say, yes, Tamil pride is BJP's pride, this country's pride. That's what we are fighting for. When I see the Prime Minister stands there and talks for it, I remember AIDMK's Amma, Swargi Amma ji had asked in 2004 that we want to work for the blue economy, the revolution, for my Tamil people, for my fishermen. And I'm grateful and I'm thankful and I'm proud to say that Honorable Prime Minister came and he offered 1,500 crore rupees, specially for our fishermen who are from Tamil Nadu. And that's what we want to talk about. Muralidhar Rao ji said 24 hours. Like in the movie, you give dhamki na 24 hours. As the complaint went to Honorable Sushma Swaraj that our own Indian fishermen are stuck in Sri Lanka, 24 hours, BJP saved them and got them back to our country. When you talk about Tamil pride in Sri Lanka, Which Prime Minister went and met? First time in the history, Honorable Narendra Modi met our Tamil brothers and sisters in Sri Lanka. That was the only first Prime Minister who did it. That's the history we are creating. That's the strength we are creating. We want to show our Tamil brothers and sisters that we are with you. We want to be with you. Now the sun is setting. The leaves are falling. The sun is setting. The leaves are falling apart. What we have to do, bloom the lotus in each and all the corners all over. There was a discussion about farmers' issue. The poor farmers are suffering in Tamil Nadu. We want to support them. We want to stand by them. And I'm really thankful to my Youth Wing President Vinod ji, who has taken over 9 districts together to help the farmers through a very good organization. And I'm grateful to him that BJYM has adopted 9 districts in Tamil Nadu. BJYM, we Yuva Morcha people. We have adopted 9 districts in Tamil Nadu, and we want to take Tamil Nadu's farmers' problems, though it's crop insurance, whatever issues they have, we want to connect with them directly and take things forward. I want to request my friends, we talk about Tamil pride has not been respected. Was it ever respected by UPA government? Today Prime Minister offers 1500 crores. Prime Minister respects Abdul Kalam. Prime Minister respects Blue Revolution. Prime Minister creates the crop insurance for our farmers. The Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji wants our Tamil brothers and sisters get that Tamil pride. He meets them in Sri Lanka. The Prime Minister decided to create that strength. Who has done that for years? Has anyone thought of Tamil Nadu when they go to Delhi, they talk for your votes? From here, people get Ghana votes on the name of caste and Tamil pride. But when they go to Delhi, they don't talk about Tamil pride. My request to all of you friends, this is not my first tour in Tamil Nadu. This is just a start, as I have said. It's a trailer of BJYM. And if this is the trailer, picture will be super hit where every corner, every nook of Tamil Nadu, you will see Kamal, lotus flying and blooming everywhere. My request to all of you, the only Prime Minister wants to connect with the youth. We have Narendra Modi app with us. Do we have Narendra Modi app on our phone? You can download photos and talk to your Prime Minister directly. Have you ever seen you can talk to the Prime Minister directly ever? Can you talk to Stalin directly ever? Does he have time for you? Can you talk to any other leaders forever ever? I just want to request all of you. This is not party for sons and daughters. I worked hard for 12 years and I am standing here with my brothers and sisters. This is the party of people who have pride, who work hard for ideology, who work hard for the people, and that pride we want to take it forward. So brothers and sisters, upcoming time is going to be crucial for this country. I always say that this is the decade of India. This golden age which has come for India, where in the world people are saying India in coming few years will be 3rd largest economy, will be going forward. But the 3rd largest economy will become stronger if every young person in this country, including Tamil Nadu, Northeast India, West India, South India, Northeast of India, decides that my aspiration, my hope is my country's hope. And the Prime Minister comes with idea. As our everybody says, our Adhyaksha also has said, that the Prime Minister thought about Startup India, Stand Up India, Skill India. Every person who can get together and say, okay, I have something in my hand, I have something to do for my country, and that countryman is respected. I just want to say the last words to my dear friends, that this has been a wonderful experience to connect with my people of Tamil Nadu. And this is not the first time. We all have to come together, see the dream of new idea, the new idea of new India. The Honorable Prime Minister said, coming 2022, when India will celebrate its 75th year of freedom, we'll have the youngest population of this country. Until the time this young India doesn't say, I am new India, I am part of new India, we cannot go forward. And that dream, that aspiration of new India, every one of us will get together and march forward. And as we have been talking and asking the government here in Tamil Nadu, this march was planned 3 months back. And I must tell you, my friends, we had asked for a lot of issues. We demanded a lot of issues. And I'm so thankful to the government also. Or maybe I'm proud as a Yuva Morcha president. We asked them to look into education issues. by August, the Education Minister himself listened to all our demands and taking things forward what BJYM asked for. And today, seeing this crowd, seeing this strength all over Tamil Nadu, the CM has also called Yuva Morcha people to have a discussion with us and help us how we can help the people of Tamil Nadu and take our demands forward. So I'm very thankful to all my people and brothers and sisters here. It should not next time, if the strength is like this, it should not only start from Vanakkam, it has to be a longer speech in Tamil. And I hope that strength you will give it to your sister. I want to see all of you. Will you take your hands up and say that we want to see BJP in Tamil Nadu? Will the lotus bloom in Tamil Nadu? Will the lotus bloom in Tamil Nadu? Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! For this pride for our country, for this pride for our Bharat Mata, all my Tamil brothers and sisters, Tamil pride will take it forward and lotus will bloom all over. Thank you very much. Bharat Mata ki jai.